Hello guys, today in this tutorial we are going to learning for data modeling in Power BI. So now we already created our tables and we cleaning our data and we created we upload our data resource. So now we are going to we already create our table for calendar table, and now we are going to use data modeling. So I'm going to show you what is meaning data modeling. So data modeling is, so we have here created our own table, right? This is a calendar table, it's on tables, right? But here, and you see this table and this original table, and but we already create our own table, right? Because we want to use our own tables, right? Our own projects, right? So but these two tables, there is distinct. So these two tables we are going to connect it, because now it's not connect. This is our own table, and this is the original tables, right? We are going to connect these two tables and then to work together, because this table it's not organized. If you look here, it's not organized because there is a it's not a repeat. You see, sometimes here in one day there's how many you see here, like in October on Thursday there's two times you see there's accident, right? Three times you see here on the left side. So and now we are going to use our own table here to connect them, and then to distinguish it. It will show you our calendar. So it's our day table. It's look perfect and understandable. It is not a complicated like this here you see here. So now I'm going to show you how it's look. So when come to on the left side here, right, data modeling. Look guys, we here this is the look is what's meaning data modeling. So this guys screen here, this is for multi tables. Multi tables, you work like in a big company or a big factory, you have a many departments, right? You have a many departments and you have a many tables for many departments, right? So you want to all of them to connect to work and performance together, right? So how to do it then? So it's that the meaning data modeling. We come here to connect it all the tables, and then it's work you know uh, in your project, right? So here this is the many tables for to connect it, and it's work with this screen here. And so here on this side we have you see here we have a database. So this one our this our unique table, and then this one our original tables. So how we are going to this is the two tables we are going to they have relationships. How do we go to connect them? It will be work together to relationships. Now I want to go to connect these two tables. It's be distinctive. It's working everything and performance and working for uh, many. This is the many to many, and this is single tables. So we are going to many to many single. So let's go to connect it. And guys, what does meaning data modeling? I'm going to show you and how we connect it, guys. If you have a multiple tables, you're going to connect it in same way. If you have it doesn't matter if you have 100 tables, 100 departments, 1,000 departments, you are going to do it in the same way. Just you resize your tables like to resize like this to make it small, and then guys it's going to be connected together. It's work perfectly. This is the meaning of data models, guys, to remember. If you have any question about how to connect it many to many or single to connect it to work with relationships about the data modeling, so I'm here to help you on this complete project, guys. If you have any question to ask me, and let's go to connect it here. This is the many to many. We're going to single tables in our so we have a accident date, right? We are on date here, right? Single table. We are going to guys to use like this. Look guys, we come to here and then just drag it. Look guys, now it's connected. These two tables, it's connected. Just to remove the take this one. Look guys, now you can understand how it's look. Okay, you see here, it's look many to many, right? This is a multiple. You see here, it's a multiple. The many to many. and we come to here. So one only single table, you see guys, there only one table. So this is our single tables. This way guys, you if you have many tables, you are going to connect from here to here. So you have an accident index or latitude, so whatever you have there, you are going to connect it, and it's going to be performance in your project. So this is the guys data modeling. So now we already finished it, how to connect it and to using data modeling. If you have any question guys to how to connecting or many to many or single to single, or how to create a table, so how to create a single tables, multiple tables. So this is the way guys you are going to do it. So if you have any question, ask me. I'm here to help you on programming academic. So this is a full stack guys project. We are going to learning everything until to complete full stack portfolio. You are going to, after this one, you are going to apply your next job. And bye for now. I'm going to show you on next tutorial. See you there.